Hello, my name is Spyros Antoni, and today I'm here to show you the level that we made for the level design. Now, this right here is our main menu of the game called What Remains. Here, the player has a couple of options, so they can press quit to quit the game, options to go in the options menu, and as soon as they click begin exploring, this will then load the level. So, without further ado, let's go right into it. As you can see here, as soon as the player has been explored, this will then spawn them in the level. So here there's some just small controls of how the game works. So mouse, you can look left, right, up and down. WASD keys to move. E to interact with objects in this level. J to open your journal, which this here is your journal. Right now it seems blank because obviously we haven't found anything yet, but slowly we will. And finally Shift to run. So see now you can see now my character can run. And now here we are. So before we continue on, I will show you now. Okay, we also have a pause menu. Now, as soon as I click this escape on the keyboard, this will then give them the pause menu, which they can go to the options, they can resume the game, or simply quit the game and go back to the main menu. Without further ado, let's just continue onwards. So this right here is more settlement. All these have been handmade by the group, like all these buildings and towers and the tents. As soon as you go here, you notice that this is one of the interactables that we have in the level. So as soon as the player clicks E, this will then light the fire, as this is a fireplace. Fire just gives the player a bit more lighting than they already have, because as you can clearly see, the player is holding a predetermined lantern on him. But you know, different like these fires just give you extra light, just so you can see a bit better. And you can also go up these watchtowers, like so. I would also recommend to the players to actually like go and like go through all these watchtowers, because you never know what secrets if they have a note or whatever. Down there's another small area. This is a little shed area, again all made by the group, as well as the containers. Without further ado, I shall now proceed onwards. I'm going to go up this watchtower, and bam. So as soon as you come up here, like these notes, these particular notes are scattered throughout the level, and once the player goes over it, they can press E to read it, and this will then give them a more zoomed thing of what they see, and E to put them down. Now, if you go to the journal now, you notice on the bottom left that the number 9 has been saved. So every note, whatever the player finds, this will automatically be saved in the journal, so they can easily access it by pricking J, and clicking J again to get out of the journal. And here, there's another one. Again, same thing, E, E, and as soon as you click the J, now you can see number 1 is now saved. There's another little smaller settlement area, just a little sheds and stuff. As soon as you click E here, again an interactable fireplace, you can clearly see the light just shines, so it can give you a better view of the location. Without further ado, let us go to the settlement. This is the settlement, which is one of the main features of the level, and another main feature is the tower in the horizon. But for now, I will now show you the note. So as soon as the player goes over this note, you can see they can have a little like story or lore. So the notes are split between 3 things. There's numbers, there's lore notes, and there's just notes that just give you secrets to what you need to do to progress through the level. Now, as you notice, as soon as you save this, the note doesn't get fully saved. But if you just your character just puts like different options on it. Now, without further ado, it says something about a guy having a key, so I'm just gonna go and explore that. Maybe just go over here. Again, all this landscape are made by us. The snow as well. And what do we have here? There we are. Now we have this. So we have found the key. Now the key also gets saved in the journal, as you can clearly see on the right there. The key doesn't really do anything at the moment, but it's also a nice collectible to just add. And there's a little model of the guy that fell down. May he rest in peace. As you can clearly see, I'm now going to proceed to the settlement. All this was again handmade. This flag was like an asset that we downloaded. And voila, we have now found the Forgotten Settlement. Again, it's just like the main feature of the level, a big settlement. And go in buildings and voila, we have found another note. Number 4. Again, it's saved on the bottom left. Like I said before, I would recommend the player to just go like throughout this entire level, because you never know what you might find, and it just gives more in depth of what's going on in this level. And here we are, another fireplace. I'm gonna go ahead and open it just to get that extra little light. There we are. Wonderful. Now, this right here, there is another note, and this is the law. So basically, it's just a story of what happened to the settlements and the reason why all this went like this. Again, you press J, it just your characters automatically gets key features, so obviously you can proceed. Without further ado, we shall now then proceed to the tower, which is one of the main features of the level, and this was all made by one individual in our group. Like the detail and everything is just great. And obviously, as you go up and up, you can see like the level from a different perspective, which is also nice. The higher you go, the more you see of the level, and you get like a better view of it. And see, like I have a different perspective. So all the fireplaces that we opened are still opened. You can easily like switch them off if you go over them again and press E. And now we have reached the top of the tower. And this right here is a door which is now locked. I wonder what's going on. Oh, wait, we have a dials over here. So the main reason why we have the notes with the numbers, this is where this comes in. So if you press J, the player will be able to see what color and what they needs to do. And once they do, they can easily just go up to the button and just press E, like so. That was 1, that was 8. Oh. And this was 4. As soon as you do that, you see that that's now shining green, and now this door has opened. And this is as far as the level goes. I hope you enjoyed it. We definitely enjoyed making this video. Thank you very much, and I hope we see you again.